Okay, hi. My name is Gohesh, and I just wanted to give you some tips on how you use Xcube 360 really well. And I'm going to do this in the context of two examples that I'm going to talk about. Let's assume that you want to set up a training company which is essentially focused upon educating kids, using mobile apps and build on their development capabilities and that kind of stuff, right? So the wrong word to do over here, the wrong keywords to use over here would be things like learning, development, education, training, coaching, and then hit enter, right? So I'm just going to show you what happens over here. It takes a little bit of time to pull this information out, but I think it's well worth the wait. So just take a look at what's happening out here. Alright, so here for example it's given you something that says cold market activity, moderate investor interest. So it's giving you some kind of results over here, plus it's giving you some a tag cloud down below, which we'll talk about a little later. But the key thing that you have missed out on out here is the fact that you are going to educate kids, okay, or you're going to provide learning and development applications to kids. What would happen if you tried learning, development, mobile app, which is what your product is finally, right? So if you hit Xcube it with this, you'll be able to see what's the kind of results that you'll see over here in a minute. Again, it's pulling out information from wherever, but did you notice what's really happened, right? It's pulled out a much better kind of result for you. One, it actually figures out saying that, listen, learning and development mobile app, there are close to about 1570 startups, which is far higher than the 60 odd startups that you saw in the previous thing. It also shows hot market activity, it shows rapid growth, it shows investor interest, it shows moderately crowded. But then it also pops up something that says that, listen, do you need Xcubator's assistance to take this forward? If you want Xcubator's assistance, then just click on send to Xcubator. Now, the key difference between the previous search and this one is that you have specifically mentioned what is the product that you're building over here, whereas in the earlier case, you had just said what you will do, and you hadn't talked about the product that you're creating, which is a mobile app. All right. So I would suggest that you use much more focused searches like this to be able to search for your particular product rather than generic keywords, right? Thank you so much.